Today, we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports aluminum front grille for Kawasaki Teryx H2. Install time for this item is around 15 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project, so gather the tools needed and let's get to the install. Step 1. Remove the hood and factory grille. The hood is secured by latches in the upper corners. Twist the latches to the unlocked position, then pull the hood down and forward to remove it. The factory grille is held in place by two release tabs located in the upper corners. Push the tabs down and pull the grille outward to remove it. Step 2. Install DRT grille brackets. This grille includes two mounting brackets that install where the factory grille latches. Insert the brackets from behind the factory plastic, ensuring the bracket tab with the nutsert is oriented upward during installation. Step 3. Install grille. Insert the two lower grille tabs into the factory slotted holes in the fascia. Then secure the grille to the brackets using the provided hardware. A 3mm hex tool is required to fasten and tighten the hardware. This grille was designed to enhance the style and performance of your Kawasaki Teryx H2. Engineered for aggressive styling and improved airflow, the multi-layer grille system complements the bold, next-generation performance platform. Step 4. Reinstall the hood. With the new grille installed, you can now begin reinstalling the hood and securing the latches. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Own the dirt with DRT.